Pani Puri is a popular street food in India and neighboring countries, known for its delicious and refreshing taste. Its fame can be attributed to a combination of factors, including its unique flavor, affordability, and the social experience it offers. Here are some history, unknown, interesting, and fun facts about Pani Puri. 1. Origins. Pani Puri, also known as Golgappa in some regions, has a history that dates back to the Indian subcontinent. It is believed to have originated in the northern regions of India, specifically in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. 2. Different names. Pani Puri goes by various names in different parts of India. In addition to Golgappa, it is known as Puchka in Bengal, Pani ke Bata ash in Rajasthan, and Fuchka in parts of Orissa. 3. Construction. Pani Puri consists of hollow, crispy, and round puris, small, deep-fried bread, that are filled with a mixture of spicy tamarind water, mashed potatoes, chickpeas, and a blend of spices. The combination of flavors and textures is what makes it so appealing. 4. Social experience. Eating Pani Puri is not just about satisfying your taste buds, it's also a social experience. People often gather around street vendors, chat, and enjoy the snack together, making it a communal and fun activity. 5. Regional variations. Pani Puri has regional variations throughout India. In Mumbai, it's often called Pani Puri and is typically spicier, while in Delhi, it's referred to as Golgappa and is known for its sweet and tangy tamarind water. Each region has its own unique twist on the dish. 6. World record. In 2018, a street vendor in Raipur, India, claimed to have set a Guinness World Record by making and serving 8,984 Pani Puris in just 1 hour. 7. Creative fillings. While the classic Pani Puri filling includes potatoes and chickpeas, vendors and enthusiasts have experimented with various fillings over the years. Some variations include paneer, bundi, moong sprouts, and even flavored waters like mint or coriander. 8. Street food icon. Pani Puri is a quintessential Indian street food and can be found on virtually every street corner in India, making it easily accessible to people from all walks of life. 9. International appeal. Pani Puri's popularity has extended beyond India's borders. You can find variations of this dish in countries with significant Indian diasporas, such as the United Kingdom, the United States, and Canada. 10. Celebratory snack. Pani Puri is often served during festivals and celebrations in India. It adds a festive touch to gatherings and is loved by people of all ages. In summary, Pani Puri is famous not only for its delectable taste but also for the social experience it offers and its rich cultural history. It has become an iconic street food, loved by people throughout the Indian subcontinent and beyond. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.